of South Korea, Gimhae, I mean that particular place, married to Indian princess from Ayodhya some 2000 years back. So we have connection between South Korea and India. And I did research there. So Professor Park helped me a lot. So that's how, I mean, we are connected. South Korea and India are connected. Right from 2000 years back.
Yeah, we have a very long association. Yeah. And I got an opportunity to travel South Korea last year.
Yeah.
It was a great memory for me also. Thank you.
So, Dr. Chi, it is very interesting. May I address Dr. Chi? Chi is your family name?
Sorry?
First, Kanupriya, Professor Park, first Kanupriya, who it's written live below, she will introduce you. Then you will introduce Dr. Gopalji in South Korea, I mean Korean language. Thereafter, the session will start. Yeah, tell me.
So 1 second. I would like to have a time to translate all you what you said. Okay.
Yeah. What Dr. Gopalji will show you the activity, the yoga sessions. So he will tell, I mean, 4-5 lines. Then you can tell in Korean language 4-5 lines. Whatever he will be telling.
Just give me 30 seconds. Okay. 한국에서 계신 분들 제 이야기 들리십니까? 대답만 해주세요.
들립니다.
네, 잘 들립니다. 잘 들립니다.
지금 저기 여자분 수제타 씨인데요. 이분은 저희 인제대학을 방문한 적이 있고요. 그래서 부산에도 여러 번 왔습니다. 지금 하시는 말을 요약하면 수로왕하고 인도의 아유니아의 결혼한 내용을 다른 분들은 모르니까 지금 설명을 했거든요. 영어로. 그렇게 한 거니까 이런 식으로 짤막짤막하게 제가 소개를 드리도록 하겠습니다. Okay, go ahead.
안녕하세요. Everybody, 안녕하세요.
여러분 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 수제타 씨.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네, 안녕하세요.
Okay, 안녕하세요. Yeah. Kanupriya, you can introduce Professor Park.
1 second, ma'am.
Shall
we, with your permission, I will start the session officially with the yoga anthem. I request everyone to mute yourself. It's a request.
All of you can mute, huh?
자, 얼굴들 카메라 한번 열어보십시오. 한국 분들. 예, 카메라 한번 열어보세요. 예, 좋습니다.
내 거는 열어졌죠, 카메라.
Krishna
होगा।
ध्यान लगा समाधि में जा, सुख दुख परे आनंद को पा। ध्यान लगा समाधि में जा, सुख दुख परे आनंद को पा। ऐसे जीवन की कामना करो, योगमयं विश्वं कर्म भक्ति ज्ञान योग से पावत, तन मन में ऊर्जा चेतना जागत। हठल राजयोग देत सुदृढ़ शरीरा, दूर करे ईर्षा द्वेष विस्मय की पीड़ा। निरोग अंत मन तन को करो, योगमयं विश्वं कुरु, विश्वं कुरु। चिंता से मुक्ति, कार्य में कुशलता, उत्साह संग संग चलने की योग्यता। आत्मविश्वास आत्मनियंत्रण योग से होगा। वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं। ऐसी धरा की कल्पना करो, योगमयं विश्वं कुरु, 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 विश्वं कुरु।
Namaste, Joe Achin to you all. We are honored to welcome Dr. and Professor G. Suk Park. Mr. Park is a PhD in Korean literature and is a professor with Department of Korean Studies at Inje University. He is also Director of Inje Lifelong Education Institute and has held multiple prestigious roles at Inje University, including Dean of International Affairs, Chair of Department of Korean Studies. He has been also visiting professor at UC Berkeley at USA and also Kyushu University at Japan. Dear sir, welcome to this August forum, and I welcome you to share some thoughts, your valuable thoughts with us. Thank you. Please welcome, sir, and share your valuable thoughts with us. Sir, please unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself. Unmute.
Sorry. Thank you so much for your introduction. I'm very happy to share talks with all of you, and I'm very honored to join this meeting, especially very honored to meet Dr. Gopal Ji. Actually, it is my second time to meet him, and as Sujata told you, Gimhae is a very special city for Indian people, because a long time ago, the Indian princess from Ayodhya came to Korean Peninsula and married the first king of Gaya Kingdom. So all the ambassadors to Korea came to Gimhae City, and keep bowing to the Indian princess Hwang-oh. Anyway, so I think the Indian culture is amalgamed. I mean, the mixed with the traditional Korean culture. So we are very welcome the Indian yoga, not only to Gimhae City, but all the city in Korea, and getting more popular and more helpful to Korean people's health. We are very expecting your activity, and hopefully I will invite some of yogi to Gimhae City. Last Friday, I met Master Waldo. He is very welcoming the Indian yogi to his Buddhist temple. He will open the Buddhism University from July. So he said he hopefully invite a yogi and to give yoga class to the followers. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
That's good. Professor Park, could you please introduce Dr. Gopalji in Korean language to the people there?
Okay.
I think I've sent you the profile. Just use it and
Dr. Sujata, do you think I will introduce both language, English and Korea, or just Korea?
No, just Korean, because he has been taking all the classes most of the sessions. Okay. So the people here, they know. So in Korean language, if you can introduce, then it will be better.
Okay.
And before that, let me just tell everybody that yes, Professor Park, what he told, that the Buddhist one monastery and one university will be there, and they are happy to invite Dr. Gopalji. He is Yog Ceremony, and with him other yoga gurus to their Buddhist university, and it will be functional from July, isn't it? This year, July, Professor Park? This year, July?
Yeah.
Okay, next month.
Anyway, let me introduce Dr. Gopalji in Korea. It's okay?
Yes.
Okay, let me have 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
Most Korean people is not familiar with speaking English.
Yeah.
And, okay. 자, 한국 분들 대답 한번 해보시죠. 한국 분들 참여하고 계신 분들 해보시죠.
네.
예. 네, 반갑습니다.
예. 자, 제가 한국어로 설명을 하래요. 여기 글로벌 요그라고 돼 있잖아요. 이분이시거든요. 제가 설명하는 거 들으세요. 마이크는 조금 꺼주시면 좋겠어요. 마이크 소리 때문에 잡음이 납니다. 마이크를 조금 무음으로 하셨습니까? 예. 자, 여기 조금 이따가 소개할 그 고팔지 박사님은요, 매우 저명한, 요가 전문가시고요. 그 다음에 4살 때 요가를 시작했습니다. 그리고 요가는 누구한테 배웠냐면 아버님한테서 배웠는데, 이분의 아버님은 인도의 그 보건복지부 장관이셨어요. 예, 보건복지부의 장관이셨고, 그리고 요가 사원을 이제 만들고, 그 다음에 이제 운영하신 그런 분이기도 하세요. 특히 그 고팔지 박사님은, 우리는 좀 이해하기 힘들지 모르지만, 병원에서 여러 가지 일을 많이 하셨습니다. 그래서 병원에서 다른 의사들하고 일을 하셔가지고, 이 환자들한테 그 요가를 함께 이제 병행하면서 이제 치료를 한 그런 저기를 갖고 계세요. 그리고 이제 국가 프로젝트도 여러 가지를 하셨고, 그래서 이제 이 요가가 건강의 회복에 도움이 된다는 여러 그 논문들을 쓰기도 하셨어요. 60년 동안 이제 요가를 해 오셨고요. 그래서 특히 이제 인도 정부는 물론이고, 인도 사회에 아주 크게 기여를 하셨다고 그럽니다. 그리고 특히 우리 청년센터가 있는데, 이분이 그 인도에서 제일 큰 저 청년 조직인 NSS, 뭐의 약자인지 잘 모르겠지만, 그 NSS의 요가를 이제 소개를 하셔가지고, 그 청년 네트워크 안에서 이제 요가를 심은 바로 장본인이기도 하시고요. 그래서 이분은 많이 활약을 하셨는데, 인도 교육부, 그 다음에 여러 대학에 뭘 하셨냐면, 요가 프로그램을 발전시키고, 이제 디자인하고, 프로그램을 만들고 또 이렇게 발전시키는데 혁혁한 그런 공을 세우셨습니다. 또, 고팔지 박사님은 현재 세계 요가 협회의 회장이시기도 하고요. 그 다음에 여러분이 잘 아시는 명문대학 델리 대학이라고 있습니다. 그 델리 대학의 교육대학의 객원 교수로도 활동을 하십니다. 예. 이상으로 우리 저 박사님 소개를 마치도록 하겠습니다. Thank you, Dr. Sujata. Thank you for giving me several minutes to introduce Dr. Gopalji. Every Korean people knows who he is. Thank you.
Thank you. 감사합니다. Yes, गोपाल सर, अभी शुरू करिए, फिर आप जो बोलेंगे फिर प्रोफेसर पार्क will tell in Korean language.
Okay.
अमन जी.
Gopal sir, please unmute yourself, sir.
Sorry. Thank you, Professor Park, for introducing me with your Korean students, and I also thank Dr. Sucheta for making it possible such a wonderful session. My memories goes back when I visited South Korea last year and came to know about the great story of marrying the Prince of South Korea with the Princess of Ayodhya. It's a great love story. Not only great love story, great example of love and affection between the two countries. It is my desire, I have already shared with Dr. Sucheta, that I am not the part of Bollywood, but my son is a very important part of the Indian Bollywood. And I have a great dream to make a film on this love story to be told to the world.
Okay, so let me Let me translate Korean. 자, 한국 분들 좀 들어보십시오. 제가 통역하겠습니다. 듣고 계시죠? 듣고 계시나요? 한국 분?
예.
예. 저기,
네.
예, 회장님께서는, 우선은 이런 모임을 만들어준 저에 대해서 고맙다고 말씀하시고, 아주 재밌는 말씀을 하셨어요. 작년에 한국에 오셨답니다. 작년에 한국에 와가지고, 우리 김해의 그 이야기, 수로왕과 결혼한 인도 공주 이야기를 들었대요. 너무너무 감동을 받았답니다. 그게 단순히 어떤 러브 스토리뿐만 아니고 두 나라의 그런 오래된 그런 관계가 있었다는 데 대해서 굉장히 감동을 받았는데요. 아드님이 지금 발리우드, 그러니까 인도가 지금 할리우드보다 더 많은 영화를 지금 찍고 있거든요. 바로 거기에 영화 감독을 하고 있나 봐요. 그래서 아들한테 이 이야기를 했고, 그래서 이 아드님이 이 아름다운 이야기를 영화로 만들어 주기를 요청했답니다. 아마도 우리가 곧 그런 재밌는 영화를, 옛날 그 스토리를 아마 영화로 볼 수 있을지 모르겠습니다. 한국 분들 한번 박수 한번 쳐주세요. 우리 지 박사님한테. 예, 감사합니다. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Professor Park. Coming to my today's subject, mental health, I would try to explain in a very simple words so that our Korean friends may also understand. Yoga means union. Yoga means love. Yoga means affection. Yoga means union with ourselves. Human most important is attitude. Let me try to explain. Amanji, first slide. Knowing self, that is yoga. I will try to explain with the slide. You can broad it. Know yourself. Man is made of three personalities: physical, psychological, and spiritual. If all the basic needs of human nature are fulfilled properly, it results in incredible, well-formed growth-oriented human activities. When the trio, body, mind, and soul are in harmony, a person is said to have developed. What is development of the human? When the body, mind, and soul are in harmony, a person is said to have developed. Knowing yourself means knowing the macro system of the world at a micro level. Man's natural instinct is to relax in permanent joy and happiness. No worry, no burden, anxiety is required there. Every person wants to be happy, healthy, and that is the ultimate goal of the human. That's why yoga tells know yourself, how to know and how to keep healthy. Next slide. Will you like to translate in Korean if you want?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just Aman, please put up the slide.
자, 조금 짧게 이야기할게요. 요가는 한마디로 말하면, 뭐냐면 통일이래요. 통일, 유니언. 그 다음에 두 번째는 사랑이고요. 그래서 사람은 세 가지 측면이 있다는 거죠. 몸이 있고, 마음이 있고, 영혼이 있고, 이 셋이 하나로 통일이 되면 모두가 다 행복해지길 원하는데 이 셋이 하나가 되면 행복해진대요. 그래서 이제 걱정이나 부담이나 불안이나 이런 모든 것들을 없애는 거, 그게 바로 요가이다. 아주 간단하게 이야기를 해주셨어요. 예, 이 정도로 이해되시죠? 예. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next slide, Aman. Second slide. मैं अपने इंडियन व्यूअर्स को भी बताना चाहूंगा जो देख रहे हैं इस कार्यक्रम को, आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही ये सरल और सिंपल भाषा में मैंने कोशिश की है बनाने की। आप इसको ध्यान से समझेंगे तो आपको भी आनंद आएगा और समझ पाएंगे। और ये बड़ा रेयर ओकेजन होता है जो हम ग्लोबल अलायंस के प्लेटफॉर्म से आपको मिल पा रहा है कि हम दो देशों के लोग अपनी अपनी भाषाओं में एक साथ सीख रहे हैं। ये बहुत रेयर ओकेजन है, वरना हम सब अपनी अपनी भाषाओं में तो बात करते ही हैं। अभी तो हम जो आज जो बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट ये सेशन चल रहा है। नाउ कमिंग टू द हैप्पीनेस, होप एंड हेल्थ। There is a general idea that the happy people tend to be healthy people. एक सोच है हमारी, खुश है वही हेल्दी है। वैसे सच्चाई भी है कि अगर मन ठीक नहीं है तो कुछ ठीक नहीं है। मन के हारे हार है, मन के जीते जीत। Certainly it seems clear that hopefulness is a resource for dealing with the life crisis. When hope is gone, despair is sure to follow. Such emotional states are not easily defined, but there is a general awareness of what they mean. Professor Park, may I please...
짧게 말씀드리면 바로 이 요가는 인간 모두가 행복하기를 바라잖아요. 또 희망을 가지길 바라고 또 건강하길 바란다. 그러니까 이 세 가지를 추구하는 것이 바로 요가이다. 그렇게 말씀하고 계셔요. Okay.
Thank you. Now, another important point is when we talk about the mental health, it is not possible without a positive attitude. Yesterday I told about the positive attitude, very, very important. So, these are some of the characteristics of a positive thinker. This is based on my experiences, that if you are a positive thinker, these are some of the characteristics which a positive thinker should have. Openness. He should have an open mind to look into the bigger frame. Awareness, very important characteristic. Flexibility. If you are rigid, if you are very much fanatic, you cannot be a positive thinker. You have to be flexible. Communication. You should have that art, communication skill. You should be able to communicate and make the thing understand. Analytical. Empathy. Creativity. And coordinating skills. Our Amanji is yoga expert, he is coordinator. He is having coordinating skills. These skills are very, very important and to be a positive thinker and learning from situations. When in the youth sector, I have taught many people crisis management. Rather, we have faced many crises while being in NSS. So many crises the NSS has managed. So these are the characteristics of a positive thinker. Professor Park, please.
Okay. 사람이 mental health, 정신적으로 건강하려면 이러한 요소, 긍정적인 마음을 가져야 된다는 거예요. 긍정적인 마음. 긍정적인 마음은 뭐냐 하면 첫째는 이렇게 마음의 문을 열 수 있어야 된다. 다른 사람이 이렇게 마음의 문을 열 수 있어야 된다는 거예요. 그래서 두 번째는 다른 사람이 어떻게 상황이 어떻게 돌아가는지를 깨달을 수 있어야 된다는 거고요. 그 다음에 세 번째는 유연성을 가져야 된다. 사람이 딱딱한 게 아니라 유연한 생각을 가져야 된다는 거예요. 그래서 네 번째는 소통할 수 있어야 되고, 그 다음에 다섯 번째는 이렇게 뭔가 상황에 대한 분석을 할 수 있어야 되고, 그 다음에 그 엠퍼시니까 이렇게 다른 사람에게 동정할 수 있어야 돼. 동정심이 있어야 된다. 그 다음엔 또 어떤 고리타분한 사람이 아니고 창의성을 가져야 된다. 창조적이어야 된다. 그 다음에 또 함께 다른 사람하고 같이 협력할 수 있어야 된다라는 거예요. 그 다음 마지막으로는 어떤 상황으로부터 뭘 배워야 된다. 잘못했으면 그 잘못된 상황으로부터 뭔가를 내가 학습해서 다음에 똑같은 실수를 저지르지 않도록 해야 된다는 거예요. 이 모든 것이 긍정적인 사고를 하는 사람들의 특징이라는 겁니다. 이렇게 해야 멘탈 헬스가 정신적인 건강을 확보할 수 있는데 요가가 바로 그런 사람을 만들어줄 수 있다. 그런 내용입니다. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next slide, Aman. Now, by following these skills and these characteristics, these are the tips which may lead to success. And these are very important tips for getting success. The most important tip, the first tip is consider yourself a success. It means if you have a positive attitude and if you have the firm determination to get the success in your life, you consider yourself as a success, as a successful. The most important tip, make decisions. Decision making is an art. If you are not a good decision maker, you cannot be successful. Right decision at the right time. Love yourself. Very important. Be honest with yourself. Another important tip. Love others. See the possible. Regard everything as good. बुरा जो देखा न मैं चला, मुझसे बुरा न कोई. सारी दुनिया की बुराइयां देख ली हम अपनी छोड़कर. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि see the possible and regard everything as good. Complete what you start. आधा अधूरा काम नहीं करना. Live abundantly. Don't compromise. I tell you, compromising is the most, the dirtiest sin I have seen everywhere in life. If you start compromising for everything, you have no character. You know, compromise make the person corrupt. I tell you, it's very, very firm determination you should have. And then be patient. You have to be patient. Professor Park.
Thank you. 뭐 우리가 잘 알지만 이제 성공으로 가기 위한 이 단계가 있단 말이죠. 그래서 이런 말씀을 하십니다. 뭐 세계 보편적이겠죠. 성공한다고 여러분이 성공한다는 그런 생각을 우선은 해야 된다. 부정적인 생각이 아니라. 그 다음에 두 번째는 아까 말씀하셨지만 결정을 잘 내려야 한다. 그러니까 성공한다는 믿음이 없으면 그런 훌륭한 결정을 하기 어려운 거죠. 그 다음에 여러분 자신을 사랑하는 것, 그 다음에 다른 사람한테 정직한 것, 다른 사람을 사랑하는 것, 그 다음에 어떤 가능성을 보는 것, 안 된다 하지 말고 될 수 있는 어떤 가능성을 늘 바라보는 것, 그 다음에 이제 모든 상황을 좀 선하게 이렇게 바라보는 것, 그 다음에 여러분이 시작한 거는 좀 마치는 것, 했다가 그냥 중간에 그만두지 않고 끝을 보는 것, 그 다음에 좀 인생의 삶을 너무 좁게 사는 게 아니라 좀 풍성하게, 뭐 좀 내 직업하고는 다른 어떤 경험도 해보고 좀 풍성하게 사는 것, 그 다음에 이렇게 좀 이 정도면 됐다 하고 그냥 쉽게 타협하지 않는 것. 그 다음에 무엇보다도 인내심을 가지고 be patient 하는 거는 인내심 가진다는 말도 되지만 이렇게 서두르지 않는 것, 서두르지 않는 것, 그런 것들이 그 요가에서 가르치고 있는 어떤 성공으로 나아가는 긍정적인 단계들이다. 그렇게 말씀하세요. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now, next slide, Amanji. Now, how we will develop all these skills, qualities, how we will change our attitude, a positive attitude through yoga. The best answer is meditation. Meditate. Only through meditation, you can develop positive thinking, you can develop the skills and characteristics of a positive thinker. You can get success by following the tips which I have told you just now by way of practicing meditation. And importance of meditation is, this is the greatest help to the spiritual life, which is known meditation. In meditation, we divest ourselves of all material conditions and feel our divine nature. You learn how to live with the nature and you become independent. We do not depend upon any external help in meditation. That is the beauty of meditation. Professor Park.
Okay. 자, 이제 우리 박사님께서는 이 명상, 메디테이션, 여러분 다 아시죠? 이 메디테이션, 명상이 얼마나 중요한가를 이야기하세요. 그래서 영적인 어떤 생활, 아까의 그런 그 건강한 생활을 하기 위해서는 반드시 명상이 필요하다. 이 명상이야말로 우리가 하루하루 사는 세상이 전부 다 물질 세계에 살고 있지 않습니까? 그 물질 세계에서 잠시 벗어나서, 그리고 우리의 신령한 어떤 그 본질, 본성, 그런 것들을 우리가 느낄 수 있다는 겁니다. 이 명상을 통해서. 그래서 명상을 하는데 다른 도움이, 외부의 어떤 도움이 필요하지 않다라는 겁니다. 어떤 도움을 받아서 명상하는 것이 아니다. 그런 말씀을 하세요. 예. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And now we come to our practical session. This I wanted to explain in a nutshell that how yoga can help in being positive, in changing our attitude, bringing the qualities and skills, learning the skills of being positive, and the tips to get success in life. Very important in human life is breathing. We require food, but without food, we can live for months together. Water is essential for the human, but without drinking water also, we can live for hours and days together. But without breathe, the medical science says if we don't get oxygen for 3 minutes, our brain cells are dead. There is no life. It means the most important thing in the human life is breathing, prana, energy, which provide energy to the body. We may know in different forms. We call it the prana vayu. We call it energy air. We may also call it soul, atma. We can also know it by so many other names. But something, the most important component in our life is prana, energy, breathing. The entire system of human is dependable on breathing. And meditation is not possible without breathing. Very important. I am trying to link the breathing process with the meditation. That how it helps in a very simple technique. I discussed yesterday about the breathing, and three parts of breathing. One is inhale, another is exhale, which we do naturally. But there is third part, very important, which we usually don't do. It is holding the breath. Very important. Without holding the breath, you cannot do yoga, you cannot do pranayama, you cannot do meditation. Very important. And the holding part is known as, it is the most essential part of deep breathing. So we will now practice how to do. Let me perform first. You please watch me very carefully. What we do, we inhale and we exhale. We take breathe in, we take breathe out, but we don't hold. Now what we have to do, slowly and gradually. If every person is having a capacity of his lungs, suppose someone can breathe 12 times or 15 times in 1 minute. Another person can breathe 8 to 10 times in 1 minute. And the person with an athlete heart, he can breathe 6 to 8 times in 1 minute. At the same time, the person suffering from the respiratory problems may breathe more faster, maybe 18 to 20 times in 1 minute. So that is the natural phenomena, natural our inner strength, we breathe accordingly. But yoga tell you how to breathe longer and how to hold and how to exhale longer. The longevity of the breathing is called deep breathing. Now, let me first show you. From the natural breathing, I will little try to enhance my time. In mind, I will count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. I will inhale. And after inhale, I will stop. And I will hold the breath. I will try to hold it the similar time which I have taken in inhalation. I will hold the breath for the same time. And after keeping hold for the same time, gradually I will exhale in the same time. That means if I inhale 5 seconds, I stop for 5 seconds, I exhale 5 seconds or 10 seconds, whatever it may be. This is called the breathing, the deep breathing. So you can explain, Professor Park, then we will start. Now.
Okay. Thank you. 한국 분들 듣고 있나요? 두현 매니저, 재석 센터장 다 잘 듣고 있습니까?
네, 잘 듣고 있습니다.
예, 또 다른 분들도 한번 응답 좀 해주세요. 한국 분들.
네, 잘 듣고
있습니다.
계신가요? 네.
네네, 고맙습니다. 자, 오늘의 제일 중요한 내용을 지금 이야기를 하셔요. 사람들이 음식을 못 먹으면 몇 달까지는 참지만 그 다음에 죽겠죠. 그 다음에 만약에 물을 안 먹으면 며칠은 살 수 있지만 그 이상 못 산다고 그래요. 근데 문제는 우리가 숨을 3분 이상 쉬지 않으면 죽는 거예요. 저는 사실은 제 가족 중에 한 사람이 숨을 못 쉬어서 그렇게 가신 경우가 있습니다. 그 정도로 이 숨이라는 게 대단히 중요하단 말이죠. 숨을 여러분 안 쉬면 어떻게 살 수 있겠어요? 물이나 식량은 없어도 좀 살 수 있지만. 그래서 요가에서 숨이 제일 중요하다 그렇게 말씀하세요. 그리고 이거는 명상하고도 관련이 있다고 그러세요. 그런데 우리 모두가 숨을 쉬는데 제일 중요한 거는 뭐냐면 그 숨을 쉬었다가 그냥 뱉어버려요. 그냥 들이쉬고 내쉬고 들숨 날숨 들숨 날숨 그러는데 이분 말씀은 그걸 참는 것, 다시 말하면 홀딩이라고 그러잖아요. 홀딩. 들이마셨으면 그 상태를 유지하는 것, 그게 중요하다고 그래요. 그러니까 그걸 홀딩한 다음에 다시 이제 밖으로 내야 되는데 보통 사람들은 들이쉬었다 내쉬었다 그렇게 하잖아요. 그러니까 사람들은 1분에 뭐 작게는 8번 이렇게 들이쉬었다 내쉬었다 하는 사람이 있지만 또 병 질환이 있는 사람은 거의 뭐 20번 아주 숨이 가쁜 사람도 있는 거죠. 그러나 그 어떤 경우든 간에 홀딩, 예, 그 숨을 멈춰서 이렇게 간직하는 것. 지금 방금 뭐라고 하셨냐면 한 8초 동안 들이쉬고 그다음에 한 5초 이렇게 홀딩을 하셨어요. 그리고 이제 다시 내는 것. 결론적으로 말하면 그 숨을 멈추고 그 상태를 유지하는 것이 대단히 중요하다. 그 말씀을 지금 하시는 거예요. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now we practice sit state. Keep your trunk straight now. Keep your spinal cord straight. Close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes and keep straight. And now, concentration on your breathing. When I will say start, you will start breathing in, then you will hold, and then you will exhale. Follow my instructions. Be ready for deep breathing. Start. Inhale. 2, 3, 4,
자,
5.
숨을 들이쉬세요.
Inhale. Inhale. Stop. Stop breath. Hold. Hold the breath now.
그 다음에 예, 정지하시고
Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
자, 지금은 이제 내쉬시고요.
Now they have learned. Now we will do together. Okay? Ready?
예.
Yeah. Sit straight. Concentration on breath. Close your eyes. Inhale. Start. 2,
자, 눈을
3,
감고요.
4,
그다음에 숨 쉬는 자신을 숨에 집중하세요. 자기가 쉬는 숨에 집중하시면서 들이쉬었다가 중간에 유지하고 스탑하고 그다음에 한 5초 있다가 다시 한번 내쉬어보세요. 자세는 바르게 하고.
Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
예, 지금 박사님께서 스타트 할 때 숨을 쉬시고 홀드 하면은 숨을 들이킨 대로 정지하시고 그 다음에 exhale 하면은 숨을 내쉬세요. 예, 그렇게 지금 이야기하세요.
Hold. Exhale. Relax. Now we do another exercise in the ratio of 1 to 1. 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means if we inhale 5 seconds, hold more time, 10 seconds, just double. And exhale also 10 seconds, just double. Inhale time, double time in holding, double time in exhaling. Okay? Let us do
지금부터 이걸 훈련합시다. 1 to 1인데요. 5초 동안 숨을 들이쉬고 자, 이제는 더 늘립시다. 그래서 10초 동안 우리가 숨을 멈춥시다. 스탑을 하고 그 다음에 다시 5초 동안 내쉬는 이런 훈련을 해보겠습니다.
चलिए देखते हैं हम लोग कितने देर तक आप रोक पाते हैं, लेकिन ध्यान रखिएगा ऐसा ना हो कि रोक के भूल जाए सांस को, उसको निकालना भी है, ये ध्यान रखिएगा. चलिए, let us begin. Be ready. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Concentration on your breathing. Start. Inhale. Hold. Exhale.
자, 여러분, 그렇게 하셨습니까? 5초 동안 들이쉬고, 10초, 그대로 유지하고, 5초 내쉬고.
Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Relax. Now, coming to the next exercise, we call Anulom Vilom, alternative breathing, right and left, the sun and the moon. We start with left. Yeah, I think Professor Park is out of screen. He is not seeing. Anyhow, let him come back. We continue the same exercise now from one nostril. We call Nadi Shodhan. Nadi Shodhan means cleansing the nadis. We have two nose. We have two, air pipe, two balloons, two lungs, okay, right and left. Now, use the thumb, press the right and another finger left. I am not telling you mudras, but simple. Index finger on the one nose, thumb on the another nose. Inhale from one nose, keep another nose closed. Like this. I am doing, see me. Same manner. 5 seconds. Inhale. Then I will close both the doors. Again I will open it and the air will come out from the same nose. Similar way we will do from another. One time here, one time here. One time here, one time here. Okay? Let us do. Be ready. Keep straight. Close your one nostril. Inhale from one nostril. Start. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. दोनों नाक बंद कर लीजिए. Keep on holding. Close both the nostrils. Exhale. Open one door. Relax. You can do it alternatively, as well as you can also do it one nostril, then another nostril, the complete process. Because when we do from the same nostril, it is known as Nadi Shodhan. But when we do alternatively, it is known as Anulom Vilom. This is the basic difference between the two. When we do from the one nostril continuously, it is Nadi Shodhan because we make both the nasal passage clean. But when we do alternatively, right and left, then it is known alternative breathing. Okay? But same manner, inhale, hold for just more time, just double time, and similarly, it should also come out just double time, the exhale process. So these exercises are very, very dynamic. It brings a dynamic change in your thinking process. It cools your mind. It takes more oxygen. It supplies more oxygen to the heart, to the brain. The circulatory system of the human body is well practiced. It affects our entire system, which is having a positive effect on the human body and mind. So these breathing exercises bring a drastic change in our thinking process, in bringing positivity in our attitude. And moreover, the concentration, the process of focus making or focusing on one particular thing also gradually develops. When we have the complete concentration on our breathing, it can bring positivity. It can also enhance your concentration power, which ultimately affects on your mental power. And that way, mental health, when we discuss, breathing plays an important role in that process. Another exercise, one more I want to tell, and very simple. Yesterday in our session we discussed, but for my friend, our Korean friend, Professor Park, and his students, I want to tell. This is the exercise tested during the COVID-19. And the Indian doctors and medical scientists told this is very, very effective, not only during Corona, but after post-Corona also, to recover the energy, to recover the immunity. Very, very effective. And this is called, in yogic terminology, this is called Bhramari Pranayam. Bhramari means, you know, Bhramari, Sucheta di Bhaure ki अंग्रेजी मुझे नहीं आती. You can tell them what is that black, वो काला वाला ततैया, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ये दूसरा ना, लेकिन मैं इनको टेक्निक को मैं बता दूंगा. See, Professor Park and other students, please see me, watch me. The thumb on ears, both ears closed. The index finger on the upper part of the eyes. The middle fingers on the nose. Another ring finger, upper lips. The little finger, lower lips. Below that. This is the placement of the fingers. Fingers, thumb on the ears. Index finger on the upper part of the eyes. Middle two fingers on the nostril. Ring finger on the upper part of the lips. Small finger on the lower part of the lips. This is the placement of fingers. Afterwards, inhale, deep breathing, and hold the breath. Close all the doors. Ear, eye, nose, mouth, everything closed. And then with the sound of what we call it Ramardhwani, the sound from the mouth will come out. From the mouth, air will come out. And as I tell you, such a tremendous result we have seen during the COVID-19. Not only during Corona, but after Corona. Let us practice. Okay. You tell thumb on the ears, fingers, eye, nose, upper lips, lower lip. Now inhale. Breathe once. Completely fill your ears in the lungs and hold it. Quite for a long time. And now we will start exhaling with the sound. See.
Like
the
this?
sound coming out.
Yeah.
Okay. Let us enjoy this and very beautiful, very wonderful sorry.
I mean, the vibration now will be there inside the ears. I mean, that
yes, your
vibration.
दिमाग के तार हिला देती है and it creates sound in the brain. The vibrations which goes inside the brain create a very different feeling and a very different good feeling and sound, and our mind, it becomes very, very peaceful. You enjoy.
The humming sound will be there inside.
Humming, yes. This is the humming sound which actually we do. Okay, let us practice once. Be ready. Yes. Everybody, be ready. Place your fingers. Inhale. Deep breathing. Hold. Yes, breathe out from the mouth. Again, do it. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. Relax. Rub both of your palms. Rub your palms like this. Rub. Yes. Put on your eyes. Face. Slowly massage. And open your eyes. Gently open your eyes. So, how you are feeling, Professor Park? How you feel?
That
I feel
humming.
pressure.
Comedy is very good.
Pressure.
So, I have told you the power of meditation. I have told you the simple breathing exercises. I have told you deep breathing, Nadi Shodhan, Anulom Vilom, and Bhramari Pranayam. These 4 breathing techniques can bring a very positive change in our thinking process, in our attitude, and moving towards positivity. So with these words, I conclude my today's session. And if anybody is having Any doubt or question, you are welcome. Over to Madam Sucheta and Amanji.
Professor Park, would you explain to them now?
Let me have 3 minutes for translating for our students. 자, practice 하고 있는 두현 매니저 없나? 한국 분들 없어요?
네, 본부장님.
예, 지금 말씀하시는 거는 이제 오늘 그걸 보면 정리를 하면 아까 1-to-1의 법칙이 있었잖아요. 그죠? 다른 분들도 들어보세요. 1-to-1의 법칙이 있어서 들이쉬는 것보다는 홀딩하는 시간을 더 길게 하는 거, 그거 말씀하셨어요. 그 다음에 이제 더 길게도 해보라는 거예요. 5초, 10초, 5초가 아니라 더 길게도. 그러니까 홀딩하는 그게 바로 파워를 가져온다는 거예요. 그 다음에는 뭘 이야기했어요? 이렇게 한쪽을 누르고 한쪽 코로만 호흡을 하면서 눈을 감고 그 숨의 흐름을 속으로 바라보는 거. 그렇게 하면은 심장과 머리에 훨씬 더 많은 양의 에너지가 올라간다. 반대편도 되고 이렇게 하라고 그러셨죠. 그 다음에는 어떻게 했습니까? 손으로 눈과 귀와 코와 입을 이렇게 막고 그 다음에 이제 소리를 내는 거, 하면서 소리를 내는 거, 그거 연습을 했고요. 마지막으로는 이제 이것도 많이 우리 하는 겁니다. 손을 비벼가지고 이 따뜻한 거 있잖아요. 이 따뜻한 걸 이렇게 둥글게 해가지고 눈에 올려서 이제 눈의 피로를 풀어주는 거. 그리고 떼고 나서 이제 눈을 서서히 이렇게 떠라고 그런 이야기를 하셨죠. 예, 우리 이고희 과장님도 들으셨나요?
예, 듣고 있습니다.
Yeah, so every Korean people say thank you for your teaching.
Gopal sir, ऐसा करेंगे. What we can do, Professor Park and Dr. Gopal ji, you just, simple yogic exercises. If you can write, and we can have a simple 4 or 5 pages of book, and Professor Park can translate into Korean language. Then that can be distributed to the people there. So it will be very good. Dr. Gopal ji and Professor Park, it will be very good.
Wonderful. Yeah.
Thank you.
So,
I think definitely I'll do that.
Let me have the yoga practice book. So I will presently translate into Korean.
Yeah. So we can have YouTube and also book. Nowadays everybody, they are seeing in digital, virtually. So we can have digital book also in English, Hindi and South Korean language. So it will be better for everybody to watch.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gopal sir, Professor Park. And next, we'll specifically, you can say a date, inform your students, and only for the students we can do it. Gopal sir is very kind that he will do it again for your students specifically.
Okay. Sure.
Yes,
I'll give you the specific date. People gathering. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. And
thank you so much, Gopalji. It is very helpful practice. So we try to practice every day.
Yeah.
The basic steps with my colleague. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My pleasure. I think a new beginning has started from today. A new era of our friendship between India and South Korea.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Amanji, thank you. Thank
you
Thank you,
so
ma'am. It
much.
was really a great meeting with the Korean delegation. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much, Professor Park. Now I hand over to Kanupriya ji to please give a vote of thanks.
Thank you.
Our friendship is stronger and closer with this session going, right?
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
And they say it like this.
Thank you,
I mean,
Amma.
like this.
Yeah.
It's like this. It's the heart. I mean, you just twist your thumb
Yeah,
and.
this is the Korean symbol of friendship. While Mr. Modi visited our Prime Minister, he also did. I also did it when I was in South Korea with the. This is the sign of friendship. Indo-Korean friendship.
Thank you. 이거 한번 해라. 이거.
Everybody can do
두현이,
this.
두현 매니저.
Yeah.
저거 해라. Any other Korean?
All of you can switch on your camera so that.
All together.
All
Thank
together.
you.
Thank you.
So sweet.
Bye.
Can share with us. Okay.
Bye.
Namaste.
Okay, you just start it, otherwise.
Okay, Dr. Park and Sri Gopalji sir, I convey my heartfelt thank you on behalf of everyone in this August forum for gracing us with your presence. Thank you. Gamsha Anita. Thanks a lot, Gamsha Anita.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, Gopal sir, Sushita ma'am, and all the participants.
Have a good Sunday.
Thank you, sir.
Bye now.
Bye.